Hi, guys. I hope you had a great weekend and just wanted to say happy Monday. Hopefully, you guys got some rest and are able to get to work. So, here I am. I want to show you some different things that we are going to be doing this week. So, hopefully, it's easy for you to navigate. I'll also put it in an announcement with all the links attached. So let's just go over what we've done so far. We finished our professional development unit. Hopefully all of you guys have gotten through that. Anything that has a date and points or things that are graded. We did our marketing information management. We just finished that up last week. So you guys went through the notes with the Nearpod, took your marketing information management notes on a handout I gave you. So you guys should have this turned in. I go through the Nearpods to make sure that you guys are doing the activities in the Nearpods, and it's really important to do that because that's how you get all of our information. So you can do the activities. So the next one is we did the food truck project 1, marketing information management. That was the handout that you guys filled out to give you information and some of those questions on a survey because you're trying to figure out what type of food truck you want to open up. And then when you did the survey, so a couple of you guys can just go to the share if you did it on Google Forms and get the embed and embed it into Canvas. And that was just giving me your survey there. Some of you guys, you could send the link to me and I can open it up and I can just grade you from there. So just make sure you guys have done the survey and turn that in. What we're doing this week, we're on a whole new unit and looking at product service management. This is where you guys are actually going to be able to think about what type of food truck you want to open and what your brand character is going to look like. So there's quite a few things in this. So you actually have 2 Nearpods to look at this week. So I broke it down into days for your activities of what to do this week. So the very first thing is tomorrow's just going to be a 12-minute video. So you're going to watch a food truck video, just a little documentary, and I asked just like 3 little questions. So if we went into that, it would just pull you up into the video. Let's go ahead and take a look. And I attached it, I embedded it, and then it just, here's the questions that you'll answer. Tell me what you think. Are you getting ideas? And if so, tell me your top 3 for now. And it's okay if they change, so you can think about what food trucks, what type of food truck you might want to open. And then let's go ahead and go back to modules. The next things I have on there for you for this week are it has Tuesday, Wednesday, just go over the product service management presentation, Nearpod. Take some notes in that. Know the definitions because you're going to answer them on a handout for next week. So this is over chapter 30. There's activities in the Nearpod for you to do, as well as you can take some of your notes. If you take notes, make sure you screenshot them and you can turn them in to me just through this area right here. And then I have for Thursday, Friday, chapter 31, just the presentation, the activities in the presentation, and take notes for yourself on that too. So that's what I have for the week. As time permits, make sure you still have signed up for that Mimic social media simulation. Like I said last week, we already have 1 person done. So you can take some time and go through that. But that ultimately is due in June, but you should be working on it now, just little by little. You may see this right here, IBAM brand character assignment. Don't worry about that. I unpublished it, and that's something that we will be doing next week. So if you have to catch up on any assignments, make sure that you're doing that. Do not spend more than 30 minutes a day on my class. And I try to put assignments that you really don't need to spend 30 minutes a day on. So if you're staying caught up, that's great. And a lot of you do your stuff right away on Monday, and then you don't worry about the class for the rest of the week. So just utilize that time. If you have any questions, feel free to message me. Any day of the week that you want to do a Zoom, just message me, say, Miss T, can we do a Zoom? I don't understand what your expectation is, then we can totally do that. Just send me a message at ttorres or ttorres at bethelSD.org, and I will get back to you. And we will have open office hours on Thursday from 10:30 to 11:30 regular time, but I am open for you guys anytime you need me. So have a great week, and I hope to hear from you guys soon. Bye.